The Makita XCU04Z Cordless chainsaw delivers gas-like cutting performance from a brushless motor while avoiding fumes, pull cords, and regular carburetor maintenance. Its dual 18-volt battery system provides 36-volt power, giving strong torque and chain speed that handle pruning, storm cleanup, and firewood without bogging down. The variable speed trigger and smooth electric startup make it easy to control cuts precisely, whether you are limbing branches or bucking medium-diameter logs. Safety is thoughtfully addressed with a lock-off lever and an electronic power switch that shuts the saw down after inactivity, reducing the chance of accidental activation and saving battery life. Because it runs on the widely used Makita LXT battery platform, existing Makita users can share packs and chargers across many tools, cutting down on extra gear to carry. As an Amazon renewed unit, this saw has been inspected and tested to perform like new, making it an appealing option if you want professional-level, cordless performance at a lower environmental footprint.